Welcome to the future of digital communication. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need more than traditional advertising to connect with customers. Enter intelligent digital signage, an innovative approach that merges technology and communication, transforming the way businesses engage with audiences. Let's dive into how intelligent digital signage is reshaping the landscape. Imagine a system that doesn't just display content, but adapts it, presenting the right message to the right audience at the perfect time. That's what intelligent digital signage offers. Unlike static displays, this technology uses data to provide content that is timely, relevant, and personalized. Whether it's adjusting promotional material based on customer demographics or showcasing real-time information that matches the environment, intelligent signage is about enhancing experiences. Yodeck, the leader in this space, has taken traditional digital signage to the next level. Our platform integrates advanced features to help businesses create impactful connections with their customers. But what sets us apart? It's the intelligence behind it. Not only is Yodeck easy to use, but it also allows businesses to make real-time updates and optimizations, ensuring that their message is always on point. The advantages for businesses are vast. First, there's customer engagement. By delivering personalized and relevant content, businesses can capture the attention of their audience for longer periods of time. According to studies, intelligent digital signage increases dwell time by over 30% compared to traditional signage. It's about presenting content that resonates. Then there's operational efficiency. With Yodeck's platform, content can be managed remotely, eliminating the need for manual updates that are prone to errors. This saves time and resources, allowing businesses to focus on what matters most: growth. And let's talk about data. Intelligent digital signage offers businesses valuable insights into customer behavior. By understanding what content works and what doesn't, businesses can refine their strategies, improving their return on investment. For example, a restaurant can track which menu items are most popular and adjust its advertising accordingly. Cost saving also plays a role. By transitioning from traditional signage to digital signage, businesses eliminate printing costs and the logistical hassles of distributing new promotional material. With just a few clicks, content can be updated and deployed across all locations, ensuring brand consistency. Intelligent digital signage is making waves across various industries. Retailers can use real-time data to push relevant offers. Healthcare facilities can provide dynamic patient information, and hospitality industry can offer personalized greetings and event information, enhancing the overall customer experience. In corporate settings, intelligent digital signage is fostering better internal communications. Companies can use real-time dashboards and motivational messages to keep employees informed and connected. Looking ahead, the future of intelligent digital signage is bright and full of innovation. We'll soon see the rise of voice and gesture control, allowing customers to interact with displays in a more natural, intuitive ways. AR and VR will also become commonplace, creating immersive experiences for users. Imagine trying on virtual outfits or exploring a hotel room from a display. And with 5G connectivity, these systems will deliver high-quality, real-time content faster than ever. The future is here, and businesses need to adapt. With Yodeck's intelligent digital signage, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're leading the way. It's time to rethink your digital strategy, embrace innovation, and build deeper, lasting connections with your audience. Start today with Yodeck's intelligent platform and see how it can transform your business for tomorrow. Sign up now at yodeck.com.